being in the position I'm in as a wheelchair user. I never thought about getting the job really. It was sort of like a dream. I work at Disability Sport Wales. I am the boxer coordinator for Wales, and I work within a performance pathway. I'm working in the field that I'm passionate about. The best thing about the University of South Wales Sports Coaching and Development course was the university gave me confidence, being able to complete assignments, getting access to be able to do that activity. Just show me what is possible when you try your best and when everyone is supporting you around you. To me, to do the job that I love, it's just amazing really. I couldn't ask for anything more.